Today we're gonna do another Chef Bindo tips, and we're gonna see how to cook the asparagus. So we have our asparagus already clean. So if you wanna see how to clean the asparagus, just go on my channel and check how to clean the asparagus. We're gonna put some asparagus all together. And we're gonna tie like this. It's important the asparagus have to be all the same size, almost the same size. So when it's like this, we have hot boiling water, we add some salt, and then we put our asparagus. It's important, don't overcook the asparagus. The asparagus have to be crunchy, okay? So when it's cooked, you can fill with a knife and you put in a cold water for a few minutes, and after you can eat right away or keep it in the fridge. So now, how to check if our asparagus is ready? We go like this, with the knife, put the knife inside, you see, super ready. So, take our asparagus, we're gonna put one container like this, and we're gonna put some ice cube and cold water. So also the color, the green color, is remain very nice and shiny. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Ciao, ciao.